Out here, catfishing early morning.
There you go.
First fish of the day.
Yes.
Hey guys, might look familiar to some of you. I don't know how many of you, but I am currently at the Melton Hill Dam campground in Tennessee. I decided to just use my vacation and do something I wanted to do. So, figure I'll give myself till Friday night and see what I can catch. Going after some catfish that we can't catch in North Dakota. So, we'll see how it turns out. Isn't my campsite view great?
Perfect time with the game board.
Yep.
They're gonna catch you in the act, Kelly.
That's alright, they usually think I'm a kid anyway. When I went out to Denver, we did a 3-day fishing down in Pueblo. I bought a 3-day license just to be safe. Warden was on the lake, checked everyone but me. I figured at least I was safe anyway.
You feel like you got any size to it?
It hasn't done a whole lot yet, but
And planer board.
I mean, a fish is a fish for me.
Catch your fish, no fishing. The whole time I gotta see something. You hit it hard, but I don't put up that big of a fight.
He really isn't.
If you foul hook. Oh, there we go. There you go. That's a start. You're good. Just reel down a little bit. Right there.
All right.
No skunk today, by gosh.
I never get skunked, bud.
All right. Out here, catfishing early morning. First fish of the day. It's about the size of the channel cats I usually catch back home, but
Yeah, you're 8 to 10 pounds right there.
it's a pretty decent one.
It's a blue, so it's automatically better.
Exactly. It's a new species for me.
Nice. So that's a PB
So
technically.
it's a PB technically.
All right.
So
Lock it up, we're going home.
That's the first time that's ever happened to you, Mark.
Let's lock it up, we're going home, we're done.
I can see the similarities in them, but they're definitely different. All right. Slimier.
Yeah, they are.
If you just bottom right corner has the camera icon, slide up.
Mark, you're destroying the picture here.
I'm out. Better?
Better. All right, there's several.
All right. Woo.
There he goes.
How's it going?
That was a nice takedown right there.
Huge head too. You can walk up here and get closer to the, yeah, so we don't run them up into the boat here when we come up closer to them. Nice and easy, just pull up, reel down, pull up and reel down. If he turns and runs and the drag starts going, do not reel against him, please.
Nope. I know enough not to do that.
Might have to get the net out for this one.
See, Mark, we finally get up here where I told you to fish at, and by God, look what happens.
Dude, you don't understand how this works. It's called building anticipation.
Well, well, we've been
Okay, so I want
sleeping through anticipation.
to turn and come out this way. It might actually be a decent fish.
Yeah, that was a really nice takedown.
Pulled some drag on it as well.
Feeling heavier. Ooh, this one's pulling too.
I think we got you a new PB, Kelly.
Maybe.
My spot, by God, I'm taking all the credit.
Make the tangle.
If we had a fishing guy worth the crap, we wouldn't be.
You should look up the reviews next time when you hire somebody. They got reviews for a reason.
Pretty close by now.
There he is.
Yeah, it's a little better right there.
Yeah, getting there. Have to relax, just let him swim a little bit. Kind of pull him around the side of the boat. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we want right there. He's not done yet. There we go. Nice and easy.
We'll see if we can get you slimed up on this one, Kelly. That's nice.
Yeah.
Nice fish. Nice.
Big old male.
All right.
That's probably going to be the biggest channel cat or catfish ever that I've ever caught.
The fish says he's insulted you calling him channel cat.
North Dakota brain.
On the head bait.
Yeah, he took him a while too. I watched him play with it for a while. It took him a long time to find a side he wanted it. Oh.
Oh, might be
Got
back.
another one?
Yeah.
Is he on there?
Yep.
Get you a double there, Callie.
Come back in the
Don't bust your ass on the slime there. Look at you, Mark, putting a double on the board.
Takes me a little while.
Your skills never fail to impress me.
Takes me a minute to warm up, bud, but
Well, old age will do that.
it's over in 10 minutes.
No comment.
Yeah, you don't know what 10 minutes is, do you? Nice fish. Should have left him in the water a little bit longer. Don't mind me, bud.
Yeah, don't mind you.
You good? All right. That one's not very big.
I'll be able to hold up 2 fish at once, Callie.
That would be fun.
We're going to have some fishing today.
We'll go ahead and do the Kayak Catfish. I'm lazy and don't want to cut another bait. We're going to use the one again.
I'm conservative.
What's your liberal?
I like not having to catch them this day. Where'd you find them weeds at on there, Mark? My gosh. Pulling up a forest there.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's a sandwich.
Caught the grandchild of the other one.
Got a earful of water with that last one.
Come here, little sucker. Open up. There's that one.
Alright. Oh,
Step down one step, and I'll get the other one for you.
here's the second one from the double.
The baby one.
The baby one.
Here comes the big one behind you. Nice.
I just cleaned the boat yesterday.
Here's the bigger one. I think he's
That
about
thing's
the same
about as big
size
as you.
me.
You don't want the baby one anymore, do you?
No, we're good.
All right, baby one's out.
All right.
See if I can.
There you go. Nice.
All right. It's definitely biggest catfish I've ever caught.
Nice.
So for any species.
Another new PB, just like that.
You can go back up on the deck if you want. I just want you to trip on the. You sit on the cooler and put it in your lap.
I was gonna say it's probably what I'm gonna do because it's almost as big as I am.
That's great.
That's a good picture there. All good?
All right, yeah.
Any more?
We're good.
Oh, just in case so I don't get yelled at. There's the towel you may use. If
Yes,
it's dirty.
yes. Please offer your guest a daggone towel.
God bless, dude.
There it goes.
Nice.
Back where it come from. I got you covered. Another nice takedown. See, Mark, that's why I like to recycle baits. Catching another one on there.
Yeah.
There is another bag of skipjack under that other one though, so we got plenty.
Yeah, I'm surprised we got that headpiece again. This is another small one.
That's two off the back too.
You know, I do way better with these directly off the back. Either these catch them or the planer boards catch them. It's not like they both.
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Oh, get it, Mark. You get it.
Oh,
Reel one in. You don't ever get to reel in no fish.
Looks like they might be
no, they're too different. We're good.
crocked up.
There we go. Come on this side.
Mark's a professional at getting tangles.
Hold on, don't worry about it.
I think you're making it worse, Mark. I think you made it worse. I think you went the wrong way with it.
Well, you know, you could help.
No, I just want to watch this mess.
I think one more time.
This is
crazy.
this is how it goes fishing with Mark, y'all.
Thank God we got circle hooks. One more time. Nope. Which way to go?
A Boy Scout couldn't tie a knot like that, Mark. This is better entertainment than any fish we'll catch today.
This is good stuff here. Come on. I can't see. I'm too old. This is killing me.
This is the damnedest thing I've ever seen.
Which way? I've gone both ways. I've gone both ways. How is it? Oh, I see. All right, let's try this.
Every time I fish with you, Mark, I swear, it never fails.
There we go.
There it is.
All right, I'll tell you what. Trade me poles. You reel this one in, and I'll bring that one in the boat.
Don't, Lord my, we about had workers' comp claim there.
You got to pay into that shit first.
This feels a little bigger.
Yeah, see, Mark, we got up here where I told you to fish at, and look what happens.
Yeah, this one definitely feels bigger.
Nice.
We'll go around the corner again. Alright, there you go. Putting that same bait back out.
All right, do it to it.
Excuse me.
You'll have to edit that out of the video.
Oh man, that's true. East Tennessee lingo right
I was
there.
gonna say I've left worse things than that in videos.
Oh, relax, Rice.
There you go. Another quality fish right there.
Just let him work him. I don't want to fight him in the boat.
Mark's a pansy.
Pretty much. Let's see if he blows again. So you know about the bubble thing? Oh, see, that's why I don't want to fight him in the boat. We actually took a side bet how long it would take you to get pulled in.
Good thing about me is I've got pretty good balance.
But now I can't really say that joke because you're nervous about the water. So I won't say that joke.
What do you think, Kelly? Is it everything you'd hope for?
This is fantastic.
Nice, nice. Another nice one right there.
Yeah.
Double.
Channel cats are never gonna be the same.
It'll never be the same again. We've ruined you from the Red River.
That damn Red River, man. When I lived in Texas, I was there. Oklahoma and Texas, Red River, going hog hunting. All the hogs that run the river.
I don't know where your phone went, so okay, there it is.
Had it in my hand when it hit.
Take that one.
There's another one to get you some more slime on you. That's another good fish.
There's another real good fish.
Yeah.
All right, step down one for me. I'll give you both of them. I have grippers in here.
Yeah, let's make for a good picture here.
All right.
You come back up on the deck now. You okay? Don't flip the ball.
Got your hands full there, Kelly.
I do. And it's 2 doubles already.
All right, give me the small one. Hold up the big one.
All right.
Just throw it on the ground there, Mark.
I am.
Do another picture. Right. Oh, let's get it back in the water.
There it goes. Boy, you are covered for sure now.
I am.
You ain't ever getting all that slime out.
Thank God you're getting in his car. I was learning about how I missed the fish again.
You need to learn how to narrate while you do it. Nobody understands what the hell you're doing. We need a fish. Callie, next time we need a fishing guy that's worth it, crap. We gotta read some Google reviews before we hire this guy.
Oh, I cheat there too. My Google reviews are good.
How many burner accounts you got, Mark?
Well, you gotta cheat every now and then.
Yeah, you ain't getting no good review out of me today, Mark. I'll tell you that.
Never have.
I try to be honest with people. I'll tell them what they're getting into. I didn't tell Callie what
I was about to say,
I didn't
did you
tell
let her know what
Callie
she was
'cause,
getting into?
well, that 14-hour drive would have been the opposite direction if I'd said
Told her the
anything.
truth. My damn net out again.
It feels a little better.
My good net, man, was finally broke. He was about 25, 30 years old. And then this thing, man, people saying the net's so long.
Oh, yeah.
It gets caught on everything.
Deep,
Yeah. And the other one was big enough hoop, but a good amount of, just enough net. This thing is just horrible. Gets caught on everything.
Well, it usually don't get caught on no fish unless I'm with you.
That's true. That's true. Hey, I ain't proud. I'm gonna poach anybody's fishing spot.
You come on down here, by gosh. You can have it. I probably won't be back till next year. By the time I tell you fishing guides where I'm at, I'm done going to the next place. I done learned how it works.
You've tried to burn down my fishing spots, but I'm still stuck.
I tried. I put enough of them on video. We got a new PP, Callie?
Nope.
Nope.
It's a nice fish. I'm doing one thing you should never do. Are you okay if I lose this fish?
I suppose. Got a few. Got them up to the boat.
Well, you done lost most of the fish today, Mark.
All these have been males.
I think they're off the nest now and finally feeding
All
up.
been males.
Yeah.
Not a bad one.
Yeah. The bar's just been set high is what the problem is now. Yeah. He's got plenty to say.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you're talking a lot.
It's like, take me to North Dakota. I could be the biggest blue there.
You could be, but I don't know how they'd feel about me doing that. They definitely have a lot of similarities to the channel cats, but you can see, just looking at them, the differences in them too.
Yeah.
Well, all right then. Ready to go back in the water? I don't know that we need a picture with you.
It's on video.
It's on video, so.
Just lean him over there and undo them things and
Around your wrist, sometimes, yeah, they'll death roll on you.
there
Away he
goes. All right.
I have a son that's lost a few of these in the water.
Well, that's definitely a little bit better of a fish.
It's weird being behind the camera instead of in front of it. It's kind of nice.
We're all thankful you're behind the camera.
I could get used to this.
We're thankful you're behind the camera as well. So we're gonna pull around the side again, right?
You keep catching all these fish, Callie, we're going to switch batteries here soon.
Would be real nice to catch a flathead today too, but I'm having fun.
Well, I've caught some really good flatheads in this area, so.
We caught, years ago, we caught one right here, like 55, 60 pounds. Man, it was one of the first times when we didn't even, I mean, it was probably 10, 15 years ago. We didn't even know what we were doing. Just,
I was gonna say, is he tangled up in that other one?
nah, we're good. It don't matter if he is. I'm good at getting knots out.
You didn't look too good the last time.
It came out just fine,
I
bud.
think you made it worse last time.
Nah, it came out fine.
Yeah. I think we're dragging line, and that's why it made it.
Oh no, you're not. It don't matter what you're doing here.
They've got some really light colored eyes. Channel cats back home, they're dark.
The devil.
Well, come on now.
If he jumps in the water, I'm gonna laugh.
Professional untangler right there.
Look how smooth that was.
You made that one look easy.
And chunky little things.
Yeah, feeding up.
Yeah.
Callie putting on a fishing clinic out here,
I'm
teaching
sure
Mark how to
having
catch a fish.
fun. It's been a lot of fun.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Yeah, that's several fish now.
Even with Justin on the boat.
I know. Somebody's got to bring this party down a notch.
I'd say this is probably about average to what I've been catching in North Dakota for this year, lengthwise.
They ain't gonna feel the same after today.
No, it's not.
That one there, it's just got them squeeze handles. You just pull up on it.
All right, buddy, you ready to go back in?
Splashing you on the way out.
Splashing on the way out.
You don't want to come in. You don't want to come in. When I set that hook like that, it gives me a little bit of a wall. You're like, ah, that's pretty nice. You know, I might be able to do a picture thing.
I'm gonna charge you a referral fee to use my spots, so by gosh. Tell you where to buy that. What's it feel like, Callie? Feel pretty good?
It feels pretty decent.
Whatever company gave you those, boy, they're a sucker. Yeah, they ain't seen a return on that investment.
He's on the surface.
I was gonna say, he's floating up there.
Yeah, that's not good. That means he's a smaller fish.
Yeah.
Big fish, baby.
So what you're saying, Mark, is when you picked up that rod, you lied to me.
No, we talked about it earlier, man. These little fish, they throw a hurt in the beginning.
You said you picked up on the wall.
I did. It was hard.
It's on video. You said it.
Exactly. These little fish, man.
If this is the wall this fish put up, it must have been like a Lego wall.
There you go. Cool. 10-foot tall and bulletproof teenager right there, baby. Think she's somebody. Think she's somebody. Funny thing is, these are 3 times the size fish I've ever caught.
Well, being a guide, you don't ever get to reel none in. I'm too selfish to be a fishing guide.
I was gonna say,
He's fired up.
still fired up.
I ain't gonna open up. Yeah, I mean, we're just watching a professional here. Can't even take out a hook.
Damn mouth.
Well, I mean, professional would work through it.
Yeah, well, you got to hire a professional first.
Well, I mean,
Come on, baby.
oh, we need to be timing this.
You'd let go, I'd get that hook out of your mouth.
Right.
Camera's been running 3 minutes 27 seconds. 2.5 minutes of it was Mark trying to get the hook out.
But that was
They've been talkative today.
They have.
That was a tutorial of how to get a hook out.
Oh, that's what that was. Okay. All right. Well, not the biggest of the day, but I'm still having fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't get a chance to catch anything other than channel cats back home, so I'll take every one I can get.
It's been several fish now.
It has been.
Yeah.
It's been a real good day.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I get it.
Maybe.
He still ain't gonna open his mouth.
He's not.
He wants them grippers to go home with him.
Get him?
Yep.
Oh, man.
That rod right there has been hit a lot. My cameraman duties, I'm working over it. Feel like I'm working the camera more today than I do doing my own video.
Well, that's what happens when you're not reeling.
That's it. I mean, a quality guide.
We'll switch you around again.
Yeah, the headbait's been on today. Funny how it's like that sometimes. If they choose one bait, that's what they want.
Or even one rod, doesn't matter what bait you put on it.
Yeah.
No, I've moved the hot rod to a different position on the boat. It still gets hit.
Feel pretty good, Callie?
Feels a little good.
Okay.
Doesn't feel as small as the last one, but it's
Oh,
hard to tell.
Now she's like,
Yeah.
oh, it's small.
Yeah. That first one was a new PB, you know. Now it's small.
Now I've had a few. Now I've had a few.
I don't even know why I'm reeling this in. This is my time.
Boy, things change fast, don't they?
Can't keep them happy.
Well, and sometimes it's hard to tell if they don't fight.
Blue cats are funny like that. They're either all in or all not in.
Mm-hmm.
There's no in between with them.
Gonna try to get us all wet over here.
You done?
I hate when they go in the bottom of the jaw like that. It's hard to lift them.
Well, if we had a fishing guide worth a damn, you'd hook the bait in such a way that wouldn't happen.
All right.
Another one.
Got another one.
Lots of action down through here
We've had
today.
good numbers so far today.
Yeah. Yeah, very good numbers.
It's worth waking up when I normally go to bed.
Yeah.
There. A lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catfishing's fun. Who knew?
You know, up there, back home, the area I grew up in, we didn't have catfish. So I didn't realize we even had them until I moved to Fargo. And then I found them, and now regular fishing just
Don't cut it anymore.
ain't the same anymore. All right, buddy. Back you go.
There you go.
I was watching the wrong one. I was watching the one over here that kept getting hit.
You. You ain't up there peeing again, are you, Mark?
No.
See, that's where y'all have the advantage over me.
I just turned this camera around. Callie be getting a different kind of audience. Kelly, I'd say you might could sell the footage. Ain't nobody gonna pay to see that thing. Well, that business would be losing money. You'd have to pay people to look.
I've been doing martial arts for so long. All our feet, all our toes are broken and nasty and all effed up. I'm like, we're gonna start OnlyFans feet martial arts.
You do get a pedicure, you gonna have to tip them extra.
He's all broken, messed up, nasty.
Fish are getting smaller, Mark. We had a fishing guide worth of crap. We had caught a monster.
All right, so watch this. This is something the catfish sumo rods can't do.
Catfish sumo rods don't catch fish that small.
Fish thinks it's funny too.
Yeah.
Look at that. If I didn't reel down on him, we would have missed him.
Yeah, you shouldn't have reeled down on him then. That wasn't worth the bait.
You want me to put the grips on or anything? You got it?
I got it.
You just got your hands
catch 'em.
dried off, so.
I catch them this size at home all the time.
Well, it's like being home again.
Yeah. That's all right though. It's still fish.
Yeah, still a fish. Another bite.
See, I go out to catch. I don't go out to...
Me and Mark, we're
Get big
snobs.
ones.
We're catfish snobs.
Yeah, it's got to be big or it's not worth my time.
Well, buddy, you ready to go back in the water?
That was something big over there beside us, flipping us off, laughing at us.
Throw him. Just throw him. There it is.
Away he
We don't
goes.
respect the little ones. Yeah! Sorry. No fuel for your fire.
Well, next time.
Next time. Always the next time. Look at that. It's been exactly 19 minutes and 30 seconds.
Cool.
You're right. It's 45 seconds. Sorry.
45 minutes.
But we had quality conversation.
We did.
I wouldn't call it quality. It was conversation for sure, but I don't think you could spell quality in a conversation with Mark.
Look at that monster.
Boy, you can tell we're on your spot versus mine. That's the dang
Look
shit.
at that monster. Bass him in here.
Go ahead and do it. I hope this rod snaps in half when you do it. Catfish sumo rod wouldn't snap in half, but that one right there. If we had a fishing guide worth of crap, he'd have done that for you.
It's all good. It's another fish. I'm happy.
It's been a while. This fishing guide, he's on his own spots, and you can see the difference.
Don't do it. Don't do it. I can feel it. Don't do it.
All right.
Another one
Got
on the
another
anchor
one.
bite.
All
Spot
right.
lock.
Spot lock, yes. Excuse me.
It's definitely fun.
Yeah.
I haven't really enjoyed anything other than catfishing since I started catching them.
I don't know. You get on some of them. You get on some skipjack and some current. That's some fun shit right there.
You gotta have skipjack.
You know, Ace and I went down to Wattsbar Dam the other day for skipjack. Came up nil on skipjack, but the striper were hitting the surface, and we were doing top water.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, dude! In the current too.
Mm-hmm.
It was crazy. It was so fun.
All right, bud. Back you go.
There it is.
All right.
Fish.
I want an outdoor cat.
You do?
Yes.
Well, this cat's very friendly.
I want an outdoor cat.
I'll hook you up.
But I do not want to raise one to be outdoor. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's all ready. I think it needs to be neutered though.
I need a vet. I don't have a vet.
I think they'll neuter them for free.
Does the pound do that for free nowadays?
I think if they don't, there's a certificate you get at Tractor Supply.
Now that's a snag. Oh,
I'm pretty sure it's a daggone.
No, the other one over here was a snag just a second ago. Pull around the side so he doesn't swim into the line, please.
Don't take orders from him, Kelly. You don't have to listen to his nonsense.
If I use the word please, it's not an order.
If you say it in an authoritative voice and then say please afterwards, you're supposed to say please and then.
Semantics.
Well, tomato, tomato, buddy.
How's this one feel compared to the other ones?
Better, but I can't tell yet.
About to get the net out? That's a lot of work in the afternoon. I don't know if I want to do that.
Yeah, it's past his lunch hour here.
I'm getting cranky here. My blood sugar's dropping.
Might be.
He's taking out. He's. I like the bend you got in the rod. He's coming in, but he's coming in like a log.
That's what I'm saying.
I think it is a log.
I can't tell yet if it's.
It's a log. I told you by God, when you first hooked that thing, I knew it was a snag.
This is the biggest fish of the day. I am going to laugh so hard.
Well, we're going to edit that out if that's the case.
Oh, it's fighting back.
There we go.
That log is pulling. It's hit bottom or something.
Nice and easy as you come up, because I wanted you to fight him out. Yeah, see how he's pulling there? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice fish. There he goes. So when you're in the boat, yeah. So if you watch the rod tip, when the rod tip releases, then you can start reeling them back up, nice and easy. But this fight right here is kind of like what you want to do. See how it released there? You can now reel down to the water, and nice and easy, just slowly pull up. No, you don't have to reel, just nice and easy. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. He didn't like that, did he?
Nope.
All right, I'll take back my previous comments about it being a snag.
Jesus, that might be a good fish.
Have we got a new PB?
Maybe, I don't know.
Possibly.
You don't want to come up.
You might have to bust out a scale on this, Mark.
Go ahead and reel down towards him a little bit, and then nice and easy, just slowly pull him up. He's getting tired now. There's the bubbles.
Been up the bank the whole time. Well, there's nowhere for him to go around at this point.
Biggest fish.
Just
Bigger, but this one's nice.
Still a nice one.
Yeah, better quality than what we've been getting.
That's why when you go to quality spots.
Well, this is definitely the spot's been better than that last place you took us. You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
No, I'm pretty proud of people wanting me to be ashamed of myself. There are more bubbles. God, it don't want to come up, does it?
No, he's not ready yet.
More bubbles. I'm gonna say this one's 1 pound bigger than the other one.
You should, yeah.
I'll take 1 ounce bigger. Just to give it to you. Nah, he's done.
That's a good one. Yeah. We'll see when you hold it up. I think that other one's might have been a smidge bigger, maybe.
Yeah, the first one's bigger. This is not bigger. I wish it was.
Still a good fish, though.
Still a good fish.
It's a good fight too. I like to fight.
I still say you had a snag at first, and that fish probably was on the other side of the snag.
I'm not gonna let that go.
Nope.
Come on, get out there.
Don't get that hook in your finger. You'll be back in the ER again, like when you're skipjack fishing.
Come on, bud.
We need the Jeopardy. When you edit this video, Callie, you need the Jeopardy song playing when he's trying to undo a tangle or undo a hook. Because this is half the video waiting on him.
Well, I got mad when I got the hook stuck in my thumb and I couldn't do anything, so I just threw my pliers in the water.
Well, how's that working out for you now?
You can see. You can see how well that worked out for me. Well, hell.
No, don't, why you keep looking around like you got more pliers when you ain't got no
I
pliers?
got another set, but you got to move the seat.
Well, you just better go ahead and man up and get it. You got your Ninja Warrior class, and this ain't really motive. You can't get a hook out of a fish. You ain't selling many jiu-jitsu classes right now. You better do better.
It's not a technique we use in class.
Well, maybe you need to add it, because it's a life skill you need right now.
Pretty hefty. Got him?
Yep. This one, yeah, definitely nice and heavy.
Yeah. Get your. Now that you got your hoodie off, we can get another shirt slimed.
Yeah. All right.
There's Mark in the background. He's photobombing you.
Yeah, I think that other one was just a little bit bigger.
Really gonna take his side?
I think it was.
Yeah.
Come on.
I could get that one.
You don't ever take his side.
I could get that one without having to sit down.
See?
I couldn't get that other one.
See?
Yep, this one's a female, the other one was a male.
Yeah.
This one's a female.
There it goes. Nice of you to put us on a fish again, Mark. Hell of a job. It's only been an hour.
I tell
Well,
you what though, these fish are lively.
Yeah.
good news is cameraman is back in commission here.
Did you catch how quickly that hook came out?
Well, nobody paid attention to that.
You're gonna give me crap when I can't do it quickly.
Exactly.
But when I do it quickly, you don't know.
All right.
Missed the whole
another
fight of that one because we didn't think it was very big, but turns out bigger than we thought.
Not too bad. Yeah. It felt like it was just coming in. Just let me pull it in at first.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely got a bunch of scratches.
Yeah.
All right.
Nice little blue.
Ready to go back in?
You sure don't want to go home with Mark, that's for dang sure. Nobody does.
Alrighty. Let it go. Way to go.
There he goes. Nice.
All right.
Another fish. All right, big takedown. Got your camera on up there?
Yep.
Even the crews are excited about it. They're squawking up there.
You usually see bald eagles around here.
Always running for something though.
Well, is that a red-tailed hawk that they're chasing?
Possibly. I'm gonna get me one of them.
You gotta teach you how to hunt?
Yeah. I'm getting into that. FYI.
What's it called?
Falconry.
Falconry, thank you. Is there a special permit to own one?
You got to do an apprenticeship for 2 years. You can keep one bird, and then you can become an actual falconer after that.
Where do you get the bird?
Capture it. Trap.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty awesome. You should watch the videos on it.
So then, how do you know it's a...
Callie's audience going to get a damn falconry education here.
How do you know it's like a yearling or something? Like, how do you know it's a young bird?
The feathers. It's got markings on the feathers.
So then if it's not a young bird, you let it loose and try to catch another one? I figure a young bird would be easier to train as well.
Yeah, they want a certain size though.
You can make me get the net out?
Possibly.
I mean, if we use nets, this must be a good one now. Don't you be teasing these people watching your video, Callie. At this point in the video, this is probably a long video, so they stuck with you. Don't be lying to them now.
It feels decent at least.
I'm lazy.
You busting out the net anyway, regardless.
Yeah, I'm lazy. I want to bend down. Oh, shit, another fish. Sorry, audience.
Now you gotta bleep some words out.
Please tell me you got that on video because I lost that one.
Oh, the whole thing, buddy.
Sweet.
The swing and the miss.
Ah, excellent.
Oh, boy, it's rolling.
Cool. Cool.
This is a good fish. Oh, this is the biggest fish.
Is this gonna be the PB?
This is the PB.
This is
This is a 30-pound fish right here. If I was a YouTuber, it'd be a 50-pound fish.
Well, you know, you gotta hold it close for the camera.
This is definitely going to be a sitter again, I think.
All right, yes. Hell, maybe we should have been in the shallows all day. Look at that, it's marked up on the head too.
Yep.
Fresh off the nest.
YouTube, even though I missed a fish there, this is the biggest fish of the day, not in Justin's spot.
Well, it will be now.
Don't cut the line, Justin. I know how petty you are.
I
Don't cut
know,
that line.
I know. You know how I am.
Just slowly put pressure on him up. There we go. There we go. Now you can reel towards him a little bit. A little more. Oh, there. He didn't like that, did he?
Nope. Took some drag on that one.
No, take a drag again.
I probably should say, didn't pull me in, Mom.
You're not done yet.
It ain't over yet.
If you want some quality rods, by the way, I got some brand new ones at the house.
The bubbles.
He was sitting on that ledge right here.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Yes. Yes.
That's nice.
There's your BB right there.
Now that's nice.
Yes. That's more like it right there.
He didn't want to come in. Perfect hook set, everything.
Damn shame you don't have a fishing guy that's got a scale. You'd know how much it weighs.
I got a scale, bro. I just don't.
Got no batteries in it.
Yep.
You need-
It says 50 pounds every time. Oh God. Yep, it's easy 30 pounds. You got him?
Yep. Oh yeah. Feels
Yeah.
like a box of fries and they weigh 35, so.
Well, that's how we measure our fish. How many boxes of fries?
Well, McDonald's worker, you know. Thing's nearly as long as I am.
Yeah, it is. Nice.
If you cooperate.
Nice.
Ugh.
That's a way to finish the day right there.
Yeah, it is. At a time of day where we normally ain't getting bit.
That's because I went to a quality spot, not that kayak spot. Yep. God dang, am I a good guide?
Boy, right there on the money, buddy. If it'd quit moving around, it'd be 30.
We'll take it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh! Boy, yes.
Ugh.
You crapped all over your clean boat.
I just cleaned the boat.
All right.
God almighty, that stinks too.
It does, doesn't it?
That's the worst stinking crap.
I'm out of here.
Good thing he crapped before he got all over you.
Come on up here, bud. All right. Let's see if we can get that tail up.
Whoo,
You
that
ain't
thing
gonna cooperate,
stinks.
are ya? All right.
Nice.
Heck yeah.
Get that crap cleaned
I'm
up there,
working on it,
Mark. Get your
boss.
janitor service
You
here.
good?
Yeah. I'll let you release this one though. Got it on my pants.
Yeah, he did. He said crap on you. He's done with this. I mean, that fish, we got the full release here, people. I mean, explosive. I mean, it's all the way up here on the dash, too.
It is.
Explosive diarrhea.
Yeah, it's down like in the dash right here.
I'm glad,
That is awesome.
I'm glad you like to laugh at my misery. Now I gotta clean it up.
Oh, man, that's
Well, I appreciate it. You got a lot smaller once I started.
Yeah, as soon as I
busted.
busted out this camera, it got a lot
He
smaller.
was staying down when I first reeled on him.
You just hung on something.
So he must have been buried in the bottom or hung on something because he's not.
This thing's right here.
He felt
Another sandwich size.
Is that channel cat?
We should have left after the big fish, because now the grand finale here is kind of
You
a
can edit this out.
this is like the fireworks show after a ball game. It just ain't worth sticking around
It
for.
actually almost looks like a channel
I
cat.
say it looks like
It's
a
awful
channel.
dark.
Awfully dark and gold. Throw him in there.
You gonna Bill dance that thing?
Come on. Over the rail.
Let me get out the way here to let the professional. You think you can actually get that and unhook, Mark?
No. If he was a good fisherman, he would have known that this also has a scale on it all day.
Yeah.
You know, I wasn't educated on your gear.
All right. Well,
Real
yeah,
dark fish.
Definitely very dark. Looked like it was a channel coming in.
Yeah,
That's what I'm used to seeing the channels.
I'm glad it
look like.
wasn't though.
Have to burn this spot down if it's a channel.
I know it, right?
All right. Gonna get you in the water there. And away he went.